Your network documentation is probably out of date, and when something breaks at 2 a.m., that outdated diagram is going to cost you hours. Here's how to fix it. The problem: networks change constantly. New devices, new VLANs, firewall rule changes. But documentation updates? Those happen never. 6 months later, your diagram shows a network that doesn't exist anymore. Solution 1. Automate discovery. Tools like Netbox, Nautobot, or even basic SNMP polling can automatically detect what's actually on your network. Stop relying on humans to remember to update spreadsheets. Solution 2. Version control your configs. Git isn't just for code. Put your firewall configs, switch configs, and network diagrams in version control. You'll have instant history of every change. Solution 3. Document as code. Infrastructure as code applies to documentation too. Generate diagrams from actual config files. When the config changes, the documentation updates automatically. Solution 4. Regular audits. Schedule quarterly documentation reviews. Compare what's documented to what's actually running. Fix the drift before an outage makes you discover it the hard way. Solution 5. Single source of truth. Pick one system to be authoritative. IP addresses live in Netbox. Firewall rules in the firewall. Stop maintaining parallel systems that contradict each other. Good documentation isn't about perfection. It's about being close enough to reality that you can troubleshoot at 2 a.m. without guessing. Link in description if you need help getting your documentation under control.